Computer software types and day-to-day activities. Introduction. When most people think about software, they usually think of how perplexing and complicated it is. Some people may believe that comprehending it is unattainable or highly theoretical. Software is undoubtedly complex and sophisticated, yet it is something that everyone uses and interacts with regularly. When someone opens an app on their phone, speaks to Alexa, or sends an email, they use the software. Software is an assortment of directions that advise a PC on how to function. This is rather than equipment from which the framework is fabricated and plays out the work. There are various types of software people interact with within their day-to-day activities. The paper will detail the application, system, utility, and driver software. Application software. Application software does specific tasks for a client. It is a kind of software that helps the user manipulate things like audio, video, text, and other attributes. Application software is somewhat pre-built, with parts that the customer can customize. Occasionally, a person will have the opportunity to create the entire thing utilizing low-code technologies. A person wants to know that the application software will benefit them in some way, whether by offering a service they desire, connecting various types of people, or automating laborious procedures. System software. System software empowers an individual, a PC or cell phone, and an application to labor as one. Thus, the system software is fundamental for the legitimate action of several parts of a computer. Consider when a laptop or mobile phone is being updated. The new system that replaces the old system is a typical example of system software. A modification is attained to the framework programming to ensure that the PC or phone works correctly. Android version, as well as Linux, are cases of system software. The developer normally develops the system software as an essential element of the computer. This software's main purpose is to connect the electronic hardware and the final consumer. Utility software. Utility software is essential for the working framework and is responsible for keeping the PC running. Utility software runs behind other programs on the computer constantly. Security and improvement applications are instances of utility software. Other software like antivirus searches for and takes out the computer virus, a feature of safety frameworks. Driver software. It is uncommon to find a single precise meaning for the term driver. In the most basic sense, a driver is a component that permits the working framework and a device to communicate. When an application wants to examine specific data from a device, the application requests that the working framework execute a capacity. The operational framework demands that the driver implements a degree. The driver, put together by the same corporation that planned and built the device, understands how to interconnect with the machine technology to obtain information. After the driver receives the information from the device, it passes it on to the application. Conclusion. All the mentioned software types are essential in human beings' day-to-day activities. The software helps ease human activity and ensures that they do it efficiently and effectively. The discussion shows that computer software is programming code implemented on a PC processor. Most of this code can be machine-level code and others can be documented for an operating system.